my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. All right, Juju did today too when she took a break from making all them journals and losing her mind. I did this. Look at that. I'm kind of proud of this page. All right. I just love that. Okay. I especially like the fact that little kitty found him a resting spot. Okay. So this is week 11 of the Miss Miller Challenge. We have an object that makes a familiar sound, and that would be, I don't know if you call that object or not, but that's going to be the kitty cat because, you know, Clo does all her purring. Something found in space, that's our little stars. Something soft, that's our little snippet roll. And bonus is a tissue paper or napkin. And I said I was going to use it up. And you can see here on this edge and here on this edge, I covered it all the way down on the base. Even though it did wind up getting covered up, I still used it. All right. And a set of 3 of something. 1, 2, 3. I made a little ball here because, you know, I figured this little kitty cat is just as mischievous as my Clo. So she got into my ribbon to play with some balls and even put one up here in the little thing's hand. So, you know, she could chew on it because that's what Clo likes to do. So that is our week 11 of the challenge. And I even remember to put a tuck spot for our stuff. Okay. See you on the next go round. Bye. Love you.